If you want to use TV remote to control Amazon Fire Stick, then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to do that. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Enable HDMI CEC. This is the easiest method, but it only works if your TV and Fire Stick both support HDMI CEC or Consumer Electronics Control. HDMI CEC is a standard that allows devices connected via HDMI to control each other. To enable HDMI CEC on your Fire Stick from the home screen, go to Settings. Then select Display and Sounds. Select HDMI CEC device control and turn it on. The location of the setting may vary depending on your TV brand. You can consult your TV's manual or look for a setting called HDMI-CEC, CEC or AnyNet Plus/Bravia Sync. Once you have found it, turn it on. Once both the devices are enabled, you should be able to use your TV remote to control basic functions on your Fire Stick like navigation, playback, and volume. Method 2. Use the Fire TV app. If your TV doesn't support HDMI-CEC, you can use the Fire TV app on your smartphone or tablet as a remote control. Download the Fire TV app from the App Store or Google Play. Ensure your Fire Stick and mobile device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open the Fire TV app and select your Fire Stick device. You should now be able to use your mobile device's screen as a touchpad to navigate the Fire Stick interface. And there you have it, the two methods to use the TV remote to control your Amazon Fire Stick. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.